So we'll be talking about location and boundaries, ancient ruins and religions, population, landform, climate, and the economy of Arab world. Okay? Let's start with the location and boundaries. So as you can see in this green map, this is all the Arab world. It is located in North Africa and east of what? Asia. Okay? So this is North Africa up to here. And here we have one. And here is East Asia.
West.
Arab world is located in the middle of the ancient world. The boundaries of Arab world are Atlantic Ocean in the west. So this is the Atlantic Ocean here. Okay. So
yeah,
here is the Atlantic Ocean. Iran and the Arabian Gulf in the east. So here it's Iran and Arabian Gulf. Turkey and the Mediterranean Sea in the north. So here is Turkey and this is the Mediterranean Sea. Okay. Central Africa. This is the Central African countries and Indian Ocean in here. Okay. And the Arabian Sea is here. Okay. So these are the boundaries of the Arab world. Good.
Yeah.
So the ancient world is comprised of Asia, Africa, and Europe, and it is considered ancient because it existed before the discovery and exploration of the American and Australia. Okay?
Yeah.
So they are ancient because they are way, way old. Okay? Also, the Arab world is located in the continent of Asia and Africa. It comprises of 22 countries, and every country has a capital city. Do you know what is the capital?
Yeah.
Yes.
So okay, good. So the capital city is a city where the country main government facility and administration are located. For example, capital of Lebanon, Beirut, Egypt is Al-Qahira. Can you give me another Arab country with its capital?
I can give Turkey.
Turkey is not Arab.
Oh, it's Turkish.
Egypt.
So Syria, what's the capital of Syria?
Damascus.
Damascus. Okay, هكتب دمشق. Okay. What's the capital of Saudi Arabia?
Not sure.
Riyadh. Okay.
Riyadh.
Okay, what's the capital? Let's take another example. Morocco.
Morocco.
Rabat,
exactly. Okay. So you guys are familiar with some capitals, okay?
Yes.
Good. You can go to Google, for example, let's try this. So Google Arab word and their capitals. Okay, you can check them all here. You see?
Do we need to memorize them?
No, you need to be familiar with. You don't need to memorize anything.
Okay.
Okay, in case you want to check them, you can check them on Google. Okay?
Okay.
So strategic location is a place can be easily accessed by land or water by many countries of the world in order to trade valuable resources. Okay, that's exactly the strategic location what makes the Arab world very important. Okay, so let's check this map. So the Arab world is distinguished by its strategic position because it links 3 continents. Okay, so here, so let's take a look at the world map. Or world map. Any map, okay? So, is it clear?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
let's check here the world map. This is the Arab world, okay? So this is exactly the Arab world. Let me change the color. Okay, so it links 3 continents, Europe, Asia, and Africa. You see, they have strategic location. That's why the location of the Arab world is very special. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yes.
So these continents contain 145 of the 192 countries, Africa, Europe, and Asia. So it is surrounded by important bodies of water, straits, and canals, giving it multiple points of access. Okay, so we have here, we have here, we have here point of access. Also, we have the land. Okay, good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So a strait is a narrow passage that links 2 bodies of water. Okay, so it's more likely like this. A canal is a man-made waterway constructed to enhance shipping or irrigation. Can you give me a canal in the Arab world?
You mean oh sorry. You mean a name?
The name of a canal? Canal. So you see it's right here. Okay, so this was man-made.
I heard it once too.
In the water. Okay. Before it
You mean
wasn't
the
not
meaning
existed.
of a canal or one of the canals?
Well, what's up, guys?
No, never mind.
No, it's okay.
Okay, so strait and canals are important because they link seas and ocean together, and they improve the transportation process from one country to another. Okay, so they use it a lot for what?
Transportation.
For transportation, and trading. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have big ships for trading, travels using these straits and canals. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's go back to the ancient ruins and religions. So in many Arab countries, the ruins that still stand today reflect the importance of these regions in ancient time. Okay. So we have the pyramids, we have the Petra in Jordan. What do we have here in Sur?
We remember we have the ancient ruins that they once found the
Roman
Constantine.
castles.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Here, these are Asian ruins, okay?
Yeah.
And we have the Roman field also. We call it the Roman field. Roman field. This is here in Sur Kaman, okay?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
So the pyramids in Egypt are evidence of the civilization that has developed near the Nile River. Petra and Jordan, crossroad of trade routes between East and West. So these are examples. Also, we have the Dome of the Rock, the religious site of Al-Quds, okay? The majority of Arab world are Muslim, in addition to some Christian and Jewish. This is about religion, okay?
Yeah.
So the majority of Arab are what?
Muslims.
Muslims, and also we do have some Christians and Jewish,
And
okay?
Jewish people. Yeah.
Lebanon is the only country in the Arab world that have Christian president, okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
So the Arab world has religious importance since it is the birthplace of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Okay, so the birth of Jewish, Christian, and Muslims was in the Arab world. That's why they call it secret land. Also, okay.
Yes.
Now, population. Do you know what do we mean by population?
Yeah.
So here it is telling us the number of people living in a specific area. Okay, so population of Lebanon. Does it mean
Yes.
only the Lebanese who lives in Lebanon?
No, it means the Arab world.
Everyone who lives
In the Arab world.
in Lebanon. Okay, this is the population.
Oh, sorry. No.
Okay.
30 million? No.
No, this is in the Arab world. So in the Arab world, in the all 22 countries, we have around 30 million. Okay.
Yes.
So the most countries that has population is Egypt. Then we have Sudan. Then we have Morocco. Then we have Algeria. Then Saudi Arabia. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, again, if you want to check the populations, all the population in Arab country, you can go here to Google population in Arab countries. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can check them as a table. Here are the countries and capitals. So Jordan, Amman, Libya, Tripoli, Kuwait, Egypt, Cairo, Morocco, Rabat, Qatar, Doha, etc. Okay.
Yes.
So population, not all of them. I want all of them. This is all of them. Okay. So we have, let's check Lebanon. So Lebanon around 5.8 million. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, in this table you can check with the number of population. Okay.
Yes.
Here for our lesson, what you need to know is only this table. Okay, so the most country with the population is Egypt, then Sudan, then Morocco, then Algeria, then Saudi Arabia. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, composition. Do you know what's the population composition?
What?
A population composition.
I think it's like how they actually how they count the population, as in children, teenagers.
How to divide? How to like
divide
the population? Okay, divide the population.
Do we like read it
into different age categories. Okay, for example,
Looks like
below
lots of
18, how many, like for example, living people we have? How many
like
people?
45% out of 100.
Between 18 and 60, for example, and above 60. Okay, this is what we mean by population composition. Okay,
Yeah.
Yes.
so we divide the population into different age categories. Here it is telling us children are, okay, here it is telling us 15. So, and between 60, you can choose any number you want, okay? So you either choose 18 or 15, it's fine. And you either use 60 or 65, here is fine, okay? So the children are below 15. Elder people are people between 15 and elder are above 65, and middle group are between 15 and 64. Okay?
Yeah. I read that other countries have 5 times other people, the countries outside the Arab world have 5 times the percentage of Arab elderly. Sorry.
Yeah, exactly. Can you give me example where? In which continent exactly?
Let's say Europe.
Europe, yes. Europe has a big percentage of elders, okay?
Compared to Arab world, yeah.
Compared to all continents.
Yeah.
The biggest percentage of elderly is in Europe, okay?
Yeah.
Is it good or no?
That's good.
No, it's not good actually. It's good because they have like good life insurance and this stuff, but they don't have enough middle group for work. That's why we always see this country bringing people from different continents to do the manufacturer
Oh, like Canada.
jobs. Okay?
Canada's doing that now.
يعني ما عندهم أيدي عاملة زيادة. This is what I mean.
Like Canada.
Canada,
she's
they do
bringing.
have, they have balance. It's better.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check here. So population composition of Canada. So you see, it's like a pyramid. Okay. Just a second. Okay, as you can see, so this is okay here, and let's put another line here. Okay. So do we have enough number of middle class? So this is the middle here. Okay, now let's compare it to Europe. Population composition of Europe. Okay, this one. Now, as you can see here, the larger population is above 50. Okay, you see this is the line. This is a large population here. This is lack of like population distribution. So we don't have enough middle class. They don't have enough middle class. They don't have enough middle age people population.
Because they took all their focus to trying to have more.
Yeah, there are so many reasons. One of these reasons because like both men and women are engaged with work jobs. Okay, so they don't get married lot. Okay, so they don't have more lot of children. Okay. Now the complete opposite were in east of Asia. Okay, in east of Asia. So let me show you here exactly. China. Okay. Now China, you see, the most population is what?
China.
Are young, youth. Okay. Most of the population are young, middle and young. Okay. Good. So it depends where are we, and so this is general information for you guys. We need to focus on the Arab world now. Okay. So children make about 45% of the Arab population. The percentage of middle group, which consider it a productive group, okay? That's why we need to have a middle group, is also high compared with the rest of world. This means that the Arab world has a large resource of people who are able to work, produce, and consume, okay? This is the importance of what? So the importance of middle group, let's say them here, work, produce, and consume. Okay? Good?
Yeah.
Both Julia and
Yes.
okay. On the other hand, the percentage of all people in developed countries such as United States, Canada, is almost 5 times higher the percentage. I already showed you this. The population of Arab world is concentrated in the coastal area around rivers and large city. Okay?
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
landform and climate. Landform under the natural feature of the Earth's surface. Mountainous areas are areas of land that rise far above the sea levels. Some of these mountains are close to seas and oceans, coastal. Some others are inland. Okay, so in Lebanon we have both. In Juni, for example, Jbel, we have mountains that very close to the oceans. They are called coastal mountain. And also we have in Bika, this is inland mountains, okay? So plateau are fairly level of flat, high area of land such as Badiat Sham, plateau, Syria of desert. Okay, so plains are area of flat land. They are very close to sea level. Some of them are coastal, whereas others are located along the banks of rivers. So we have river plain, non-fertile soil. The climate is the pattern of weather. Okay, so what climate do we have in Arab world? In Lebanon, what is the climate of Lebanon?
We have all four climates in the weather.
We have all four, okay? And others, like for example, Egypt.
For example, when me and Julia used to live in Uganda, we only have summer and spring. Sorry, yes, spring.
Saudi Arabia. This is in summer and in Egypt and Saudi Arabia also. Okay, so we only have, these are deserts. We only have one climate all over the year. Or two.
Yes.
Okay. Good?
Yeah.
Yes.
So economy of the Arab world, the economy relationship between production, trade, and supply of money is particularly country or region. As a result, natural resources such as mineral, soil, climate, and water affect the economy of any country. Okay, so this is in general. In addition for a human resource, of course. So conditions such as political stability, peace, also enable people to work and improve their economy. Okay, this is a huge problem now in Lebanon. Okay, so because we don't have a political stability and there is no such a thing called peace, we do have like a large economic crisis, correct?
Yes.
Yes, so in another example, Saudi Arabia, they have oil, they have minerals such as gold, and they have like economic political stability. So that's why the economy of Saudi Arabia is great. Okay, it's much better. Okay,
Yes.
so the Arab world is rich region with large deposits of oil and other minerals found throughout the Arab countries. For example, Saudi Arabia and Iraq and Yemen. So and Qatar also. At Qatar they have gas. Okay. So the income. Oops. The income generated by the production and sale of oil enables the oil-producing country to achieve great progress in health, education, standard of living, as well as providing jobs for other Arabs in these countries. Okay, so we did say examples Saudi Arabia and Qatar. Okay, they are very rich countries. Okay.
Yes.
So agriculture makes up to 50% of the income of Arab world. Agriculture, do you know what the agriculture means?
Yeah. No.
Zira'a, okay? So about half of workforce works in agricultures. Countries that have rich fertile soil and abundance of water resources, a temperate climate, and large human workforce are agriculture countries. Okay. So, for example, Sudan. Okay. Sudan is now divided into two parts, north and south. So, and this is the chapter.
This is summary.
Okay. So, do you guys have any question?
No, not really.
Julia, all good?
All good.
Okay. There is a worksheet.
You're on Friday.
Yeah, you have up to Sunday to do it. Okay, so I'm going to give you extra time.
Wait, I thought it was due on Friday, but like you have to do it because the Zoom was today.
Is that it? Yeah, this is it. So I have a mistake here. This should be 5F5 6FS.
No. Oh yeah. Never mind.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
So I want you to solve it. You do have the lecture with you, and you do have this worksheet. Okay. This is my number, guys. Okay, I'm going to stop recording now. Do you have any question about the worksheet?
No.
I'm going to leave it for you because also here for the capitals, you can use the internet to find the capitals. Okay?
We can? Okay. But should we send it on